Everyone knows that a Disney World vacation is extremely expensive, but the Drury Plaza Hotel in Disney Springs will help you and your family stretch your vacation dollars further than you ever thought possible. The Drury Plaza Hotel is an official Walt Disney World hotel located within walking distance of all the incredible restaurants and shopping in Disney Springs. The hotel has a variety of room options to choose from, but we stayed in a deluxe room with a king bed. So let's go take a look inside. Every room includes free Wi-Fi, a full-size ironing board and iron, a coffee maker, a microwave, a little refrigerator to keep your drinks and snacks cool, an in-room safe, and there's a sink right next to this area so you can wash your hands before eating or drinking, or two people could get ready at the same time if someone uses this area to get ready for the day. The bathroom has a large LED mirror so you can easily apply your makeup. There is soap and hand lotion, plenty of comfy towels, and there's a nice sized walk-in shower with glass doors. No sticky, icky shower curtain here. There are dispensers of shampoo, conditioner, and body wash attached to the shower wall, so you don't have to lug those things around in your suitcase. It'll give you more room for all those cool souvenirs you're going to collect during your visit. The room felt very spacious and clean. The AC unit, which is very important in Florida, kept the room nice and cool. There is a cute little seating area, and the bed is Goldilocks perfect. Not too soft, not too hard, and plenty of fluffy pillows. There is cool artwork on the walls. You can control the AC. There is a nice big mirror to check out your Disney outfit before you leave for the day, because you know you're going to be looking good. Oh, a big flat screen TV to watch before you fall asleep at night, or if you just need a break from all the hustle and bustle. Our room had a view of the parking lot and the city, but rooms on the other side get views of the pool, lake, and fireworks. We really had fun watching the vehicles come and go throughout our stay. The room was really lovely, but what makes this hotel really stand out are the amenities offered with no resort fee. Let me say that again for the people in the back row. This hotel does not charge a resort fee. You get free hot breakfast every day from 6 a.m. to 10 a.m. so you can fill up before you hit the parks and you won't arrive hangry. There are free dinner time snacks and drinks every day from 5:30 p.m. to 7:30 p.m. There is a beautiful saltwater pool and splash pad to enjoy when you aren't in the parks, an outdoor whirlpool, a 24-hour fitness center, a 24-hour business center, a cool arcade, and free shuttle service to all 4 Walt Disney World theme parks. You just can't beat these perks, folks! If you're gonna use the pool, don't forget to wear sunscreen. There isn't a lot of shade in the area. The hotel has several restaurants to choose from, and they have a little market where you can purchase Starbucks coffee, Pizza Hut pizza, and other tasty snacks and drinks. We honestly think that the Drury Plaza Hotel in Disney Springs is the perfect choice for anyone looking to experience all of the magic of Disney without breaking the bank. Have you ever stayed at the Drury Plaza Hotel in Disney Springs? Let us know your thoughts about this hotel in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to our channel. Have a great day and keep on rockin'.